Katana Directorate of Horticulture Jakasor Jylla haka arpo tri jemang aja arpoar kala peloin ke Rakhe ka World Bee Day lani ka Sngi jong Ngap ka theme jo kani ka Rakhe ka long promote beekeeping ne ban kintiu ka kamri ngap ka ban long ka jarap ikinong rap USC Sandhu Secretary Jakasor Jylla uba pe katana krap karyang ulolong kong san haka ni ka Rakhe bar haka jingkran jo ula ban ne ka jingdon kam ban nang kintiu shushu ka jingri ngap khnam ka long ka jarap ikinong rap bad ikinong ri ngap Ulong bawatlah kani ka kam kana nangkiu kat banang mi kisngi hendai kani ka kam kadang don bun kijing e. Ha keju kepor ulong baka badan kam menta kalong banwat iki yo ki hat na ka benta ban pinya yo ya kangap ka ba pinmi da kinong ringap jong ka Jylla.
As many as 15 goals out of 17. In achieving 15 goals out of 17, these have very important role to play. It gives us a perspective of how much is the importance of bee development in human development and in the sustainable development on this planet. So we should understand that, as in the very beginning of this program, where we could hear the quote from the Einstein, where if there are no bees, there is no survival for humans. So people who are very closely associated with bee development will understand it. So it reflects the conducive environment for the habitats of bees. If we are spoiling the habitats, then we are spoiling our own environment. So it requires a lot of effort. This celebration of event today should draw our attention about the role of bees in human development, not only from the perspective of economics. So for a state like Meghalaya, where we are in a very fragile setup, the sustainable development by protecting our environment is very important. So I would like to draw your attention of all the participants regarding the renewed focus on natural resource management by the government of Meghalaya or the union government at various stages, and even if you see the latest initiative, the Amrit Sarovar, on the occasion of 75th anniversary of independence, where the target is to develop 75 Amrit Sarovars, that means the ponds which has the holistic development of a pond, which includes plantation and again agroeconomic activities across the country. So Meghalaya government of Meghalaya also has committed itself to develop at least 75 ponds in each district.